Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process to add your student ID in Skyscanner and get those sweet savings. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Skyscanner's website, or simply open the Skyscanner app if you're on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Sign up is free and super quick. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the account settings section, which is where we'll handle everything. Here, you'll see all of your account details. Depending on your device, it might say personal information or simply settings. Either way, click it to start updating your profile. In the settings menu, look for an option like personal information or add student ID. If you can't find it, use the search bar in the settings. It's usually listed clearly. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your student ID details. Double-check your information to make sure it matches the student ID issued by your school or university. In some cases, Skyscanner will accept a digital ID as well, so have your documents ready just in case. Next, Skyscanner may ask you to verify your student status. This can happen in a couple of ways. Sometimes they'll send you an email asking for documentation like a scanned student ID or an official enrollment letter. Other times, the process will happen directly during setup. Once submitted, the verification usually takes just a few minutes or up to 24 hours. While you're waiting, make sure you filled everything out correctly to avoid delays. After your student status has been verified, you're all set. From now on, when you search for flights on Skyscanner, the platform will automatically apply eligible student discounts to your results, making it easier than ever to afford your next big adventure. And there you have it. Adding your student ID to Skyscanner is as easy as that.